Hey guys, what is going on? I'm here back with another video, and today I want to talk about Ripple and XRP. Now, there's this wonderful article talking about the perspective of an analyst and what a lot of the bullish indicators that we're looking at currently are. And this article specifically talks about how XRP could hit $20 in the future, and honestly, it makes a pretty good argument. Let's look into it. It would be weird if XRP price doesn't hit $20 this bull run, says crypto expert. Here's why. Top analyst Riz XRP shared his thoughts on X, stating, if XRP doesn't hit $20 this bull run, it would be weird. This bold claim has captured the attention of investors and traders alike as they evaluate the ongoing developments surrounding XRP. In a brief video, Riz expanded on his statement expressing confidence in XRP's potential, fueled by its growing use and the momentum behind the project. He emphasized the network's ability to burn tokens with each transaction, which could accelerate as XRP adoption grows. With institutional interest increasing, notably through the Grayscale XRP's trust, Riz believes a combination of factors makes a $20 target realistic. This is his exact tweet where he mentioned if XRP doesn't hit $20 this bull run, it would be weird. There's also a video, but you guys can search this up later and check it out yourself. But essentially what they're talking about here is whether it's through the stablecoin that XRP recently came out with, or it's the Ripple or RLUSD, which is essentially their blockchain, their open source blockchain. Pretty much every single dollar that is transacted through the XRP blockchain or the network or the Ripple network, it essentially burns XRP every single time. And so when supply of XRP really does kind of deplete over time, and it really has been, you know how when the supply of Bitcoin is limited, and we know that. And so for that reason, it's actually very limited. And so for that reason, the more Bitcoins that are depleted as they're mined, as they're purchased, as they're used, is the more valuable each single Bitcoin becomes. And so pretty much that's exactly where we're headed with XRP as well. As many as XRP as a token are burned through each banking transaction, through each cross-border transaction, through each essentially RLUSD transaction, any stablecoin transaction, what happens is the supply depletes, and as the supply depletes, each token of XRP becomes much more valuable. And for that reason, $20 is not really far-fetched when you really think about it. One of the key points Riz highlighted was XRP's burn mechanism. Every transaction on the network burns a small amount of XRP, reducing the overall supply over time. As more transactions are processed, especially if Ripple stablecoin initiatives gain traction, the burn rate will increase. Riz suggested that the billions of dollars worth of monthly transactions could further boost this deflationary process, which could in turn drive up the XRP's price. With potential supply reduction has been a critical aspect of XRP's long-term value prop. With more entities utilizing the network, the scarcity effect of burning XRP during transactions might contribute to sustained price rally during the current bull run. Now, of course, there's a lot of negative catalysts around the SEC or the legality of XRP, but honestly, I think this time it's not going to stop XRP from reaching all-time highs. And the reason why I say that is because the last time the first time SEC really attacked the legality and the fundamentals and the foundation of Ripple or Ripple Labs, it really did cause damage, and that damage was that a lot of the exchanges, a lot of the major exchanges like Robinhood, and even Binance or a lot of these other exchanges really delisted XRP. And so what that did is it really decreased the accessibility that XRP has overall. And the problem with that is when people cannot purchase XRP, it really does kill the bullish momentum. And of course, it really publicly hurts the company. And so because of this last legal case that they had and pretty much the year plus long position they were stuck in with the SEC, awaiting a ruling from the judge, did a significant damage, not only on the potential of a rally of XRP, but also the public reputation of the company. But now, since we've already had a verdict in our favor, a lot of exchanges started to relist XRP because they realized that it was all a hoax. The SEC had pretty much no merit in their argument that XRP is a security. and really a financial instrument. And so what happened here is they relisted, and now there's a lot more of gained bullish momentum. Now you can see we recently hit the 66 cent mark, which was the 6-month high of Ripple and XRP, which is massive and really did start to kind of build that bullish momentum. Even now, if you go on CoinMarketCap or TradingView, you can really look at all the different positive indicators of, like, for example, the EMA, the Bollinger Bands, the moving averages, the relative strength index. All of these point towards a bullish move. There's even a pattern on the chart that we're looking at today, which is called the ascending triangle. And what's happening here is there's been so much consolidation in the price like with that triangle formed, that we're now looking at potentially a bullish move and really a breakout, which is going to send the price and to be honest with you, you can send it towards the bullish direction, or you can also send it towards the bearish direction. But looking at the fact that we're heading into another crypto bull run, which happens every 4 years after the halving, which is the time we're in now, the elections are about to happen. If Donald Trump wins, it's great, but if Kamala Harris wins, it's also great, because both of them are in support of cryptocurrencies. Feds are dropping rates, so it's the cost of borrowing is a lot less. Just looking at a lot of the economics of United States, of Canada, of a lot of the North American region, it's getting a lot better. And so what that does really is it increases the possibilities of a bull run. And of course, in a bull run, not only does XRP and Ethereum and Bitcoin rise, everything does, right? Like, it's not just the top 10. So it's called momentum for a reason, because once people start really picking up the bullish volume, it doesn't stop, right? It doesn't stop until it hits all-time highs. It breaks resistances, because to be fair with you, it's very hard to break past certain resistances and psychological resistances without volume. And so once volume is back, people are investing more, people are not paying as much in interest and are more paying principals of their loans. It becomes a lot easier to invest. So those are just my 2 cents of what I think is going to happen. Let's wrap up this article really quickly. The potential supply reduction has been a critical aspect of XRP's long-term value prop. With more entities utilizing the network, the scarcity effect of burning XRP during transactions will contribute to a sustained price rally. Another crucial factor discussed is the growing interest from institutional and retail investors. Riz mentioned that Grayscale's XRP Trust is gaining traction as whales and smaller investors accumulate XRP. This development points to increasing confidence in XRP's utility and future potential. Now, why is this important? The Grayscale's XRP Trust is important because, one, there's only 3 of them. One's XRP, one's Ethereum, and one's Bitcoin. And so Bitcoin and Ethereum just this last year had ETFs open under them. And so what that opens the possibility to is an XRP ETF. And so that's because of, again, once they're out of the legal issues that they were in, once investors gain confidence once again, there's a lot of people on the stock side of the market who don't want to really enter cryptocurrencies, but they want to invest in the top of the line companies and the technology in cryptocurrencies overall. And so how do you do that? You do that by opening ETFs that can be traded on stock brokerages like Quadriga and Robinhood, and that can pretty much allow you to kind of purchase and sell ETFs without really entering into the market of cryptocurrency. Moreover, there has been a noticeable surge in interest in Grayscale's XRP Trust provides investors with a controlled means of becoming exposed to the asset. Just like I mentioned, the expansion of the trust may be an indication of increased market confidence in XRP's resilience and continued relevance in the changing cryptocurrencies landscape. That is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was a wonderful article on pretty much XRP's potential, where it could go from here, how the SEC will affect or will impact, or maybe won't, on investors' confidence, and pretty much looking at different analysts' perspective on what they think is going to happen. Thank you guys so much for watching. With that being said, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.